everyone, Deanna here. You're watching Orchid and this is the Global Virtual Orchid Show 2020. And here we've got Dendrobium Temasek Princess, a firm favourite of mine. She blooms every year for me and you guys have probably seen her a few times before, but I just thought she deserved her 1 minute in the spotlight in this little virtual orchid show because she's just so pretty. And she's got beautiful magenta flowers, and even though she is predominantly a Phalaenopsis type dendrobium, she does have a little bit of spatulata type in her genes, which is why her petals curl up a little bit like that. You can see that she is getting to be an enormous plant here, so I'm not sure if she's just going to stay this size or get even bigger. But as long as she continues to bloom with these beautiful flowers every year, she'll stay in my collection. Thanks for watching.